Hi, so I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and these are the latest resources I've added to the collection. So these are friendship windmills. We've got lots of things on the inside there, which with phrases, sentences about how to be a good friend, about kindness, about compassion, how to help people, make people feel included. These could be used independently. I've got lots of different templates I'm going to show you if you keep watching, that you can use to practice different skills: reading, listening, speaking. I used these with this book, which is amazing and was recommended by Romina Muse, and it's a great book to help, I think, which I used with my girls yesterday in my class, negotiating sort of turbulence in friendships, and how to include everyone and not leave anyone feeling invisible or left out or sad, basically. So these tie in very well with that book, but they would also tie in well with any story or any theme where you're dealing with those topics. So keep watching and I'll show you the different templates, and if you want to get your own copy, you can get them on kidsclubenglish.com. Thanks for watching.